Ever wondered how your phone receives data so quickly? The secret lies in a process called PHFICH decoding in LTE. Now you might be wondering, what's LTE? Well, LTE, or long-term evolution, is a standard for wireless broadband communication. It's the technology that powers the high-speed internet on your smartphones and other devices. But where does PHFICH fit into this? PHFICH, which stands for Physical Hybrid RQ Indicator Channel, is a crucial part of this process. It's like a traffic officer, directing the flow of data to ensure that your device receives it as quickly and efficiently as possible. So, when you're streaming your favorite show or downloading a large file, it's the PHFICH decoding in the LTE network that is doing the heavy lifting. By understanding PHFICH decoding, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how your mobile data works. So, what exactly is PHFICH decoding? Let's break it down. PHFICH decoding, or Physical Hybrid ARQ Indicator Channel decoding, is a fundamental process in long-term evolution or LTE networks. It's like the secret language between your device and the network, a language that helps make sure your data gets where it's supposed to go. But what does it really do? Well, imagine you're sending a letter. You'd want to know if it arrived, right? That's where PHFICH decoding comes in. It's the network's way of sending acknowledgement signals to your device, letting it know whether the data sent previously was received correctly or not. Now, you might be wondering why these acknowledgement signals are so important. It's simple. They're the backbone of efficient data transmission. Without them, your device wouldn't know if the data it sent was received correctly. And if there's an error, your device can quickly resend the data, minimizing delays and ensuring a smooth communication experience. Think of it as the delivery confirmation service in the world of data transmission. It's like when you send a package and the delivery service sends you a confirmation that your package has arrived safely. In the same way, LTE networks use PHFICH decoding to ensure your data arrives safely at its destination. But it's not just about confirming the data was received. PHFICH decoding also plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality of service. It helps manage network resources efficiently, ensuring that the network can handle multiple data transmissions without compromising on speed or quality. So to sum it up, PHFICH decoding is more than just a technical term. It's the unsung hero of data transmission, working behind the scenes to ensure your data gets where it needs to go, safely and efficiently. Just like a delivery service confirming the receipt of a package, LTE uses PHFICH decoding to ensure your data arrives safely. Now that we've broken down PHFICH decoding, let's summarize the key points. Our exploration of PHFICH decoding has taken us into the heart of long-term evolution, or LTE technology. This process is not just a technical footnote, it's an essential piece of the puzzle that powers our everyday digital experiences. PHFICH, the Physical Hybrid RQ Indicator Channel, serves a vital function in the LTE transmission process. This channel carries acknowledgement signals, often referred to as HARK, that confirm the successful reception of data packets. These signals help regulate the flow of data, ensuring that every bit of information reaches its destination. Without PHFICH decoding, the LTE process would be far less efficient and far more prone to errors. Imagine you're sending a text message. Each word, each letter, even each emoji is transformed into digital data packets. These packets are then transmitted across the network. Along the way, PHFICH decoding takes place. It's like a diligent postmaster, checking each parcel of data, ensuring it's been received, and confirming its delivery. Remember, in the world of telecommunications, speed and efficiency are everything. The rapid pace of our digital interactions, from streaming videos to sending instant messages, is made possible by processes like PHFICH decoding. It's a behind-the-scenes player, silently working to facilitate our seamless digital experiences. But don't let its inconspicuous role fool you. PHFICH decoding is integral to the LTE process. Without it, data transmission would be a slow, error-prone ordeal. The quick-loading videos, the instant messages, the seamless video calls, all these conveniences we take for granted are powered by PHFICH decoding. So next time your video loads quickly or your message sends instantly, remember the crucial role of PHFICH decoding in LTE. It's the unsung hero of your mobile data experience.